This is a Nissan pickup 2011. It had a problem while driving. The customer stated that it stayed on R inside the cluster, and no matter how much you shifted the gear shifter, it did not change anything. It stayed on R. And the problem was when he turned the car off, the car would not start because it stayed on R. So I was called up to the car. When I went there, removed the panel here, and came to the problem, which is this is the problem basically. This came off from that little pin there. It has a plastic lock, I think. It is attached to this pin, and I'm going to weld the bolt to it. And I plugged the scanner to the car. There was no communication with the BCM, and when I went to the engine module, I had the brake switch worked and the neutral. There was nothing there. So after removing the panel, we actually came up to the problem. This is the problem. We are going to weld it to it, weld the bolt to it, and it will be good to go. I have seen this problem in other cars. I think some type of GMs has the same problem, and Nissan's Sentra had once the exact same problem. But in those cars, you can remove this and put a nut and bolt, 10mm bolt and nut to it, and it will fix the problem. But on this cannot come off because it will otherwise break this plastic cover, and it will be a bad thing. So yeah, I will weld the bolt to it, and that will be it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.